I believe it's Thursday, August 8th or 9th. I'm over at my other shop. This is my Honda 2010 CBR 600RR with about 3,000 actual miles. I'm going to take that out today. I'm not going to ride it. It's kind of funny, I bought it in December. I still have not given it a full ride. Maybe it's because I don't have insurance. I don't know. But also, I bought it from Empire Sports in Spokane's really good bike shop. But I like to take my bikes out and start them up every week, you know, just to get the oil running through them and keep everything pliable. I'm going to take some pictures today with my camera, and I'm going to work on my, this is my Sudco 35 millimeter or 36 millimeter racing carburetor adapter. And this is a cool deal I got from one of my clients. It's off an oxygen machine that I didn't want, and I figured this would be great because I can use this for the intake on my, as an overflow on my Honda over here. I got the other bikes out. They're not really set up the way I want them, but they'll be okay. That's my 2000 Zuma 13 with 4,000 miles. Great bike, except it's made in China. This is a Honda 1993 Honda with a 94 engine in it. This is made in Japan. This bike right here is 26 years old. I've done all the paint work on it numerous times, but I think this would be great, to tell you the truth, as a overflow radiator fluid bottle. I think it'd be great. It's well built, it's small, hopefully I can make it work. My other little bike that I really like, this is the one that's most popular with old people and everywhere I go, like Walmart, places like that. This is a 1985 Honda Gyro 50cc, and they only made them for 2 years. I happened to find one and for real cheap, went and fixed it up, and these are my babies. So it's a nice muggy day. It was 103 yesterday where I live. I'm going to take the CBR out, warm it up. I just like to take my bikes out and sit among them while I work. It just kind of calms me down. It's great. All right. Thank you.